welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, and this is a very, very cute collection. We're going to be talking about the BRATZ collection, guys. I did get the Sasha palette and the Sasha lip and the Sasha lip gloss, including lip mask and a lip scrub. So I did get at least 4 items from the whole collection. I know they had all the other BRATZ, but I said I'm getting Sasha because I had a Sasha doll, so I'm getting Sasha. So before I jump all the way back into nostalgia lane, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things, and also don't forget to leave a comment below, and as well don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. And guys, like I said before, I do have a discount code with Dossier. It is Danielle10. Guys, you have 1 month to use it. Do not let it go to waste. Go ahead and get your perfume. Again, try the 29, the lowest layer first, and see which one you like. A really, really good scent. So guys, let's get right on into this collection. So guys, I did get all this from Ulta, by the way. It has Sasha right in the front with her cute little outfit. I remember girls wearing big old pants like that too. I ain't gonna even lie, because I didn't wear pants that big, but I did wear ones kind of flared out sometimes, in like skirts and with sneakers and stuff. You know, the early 2000s kind of thing. It's very nostalgic. Look at her outfit. We already know we've rocked it off and on. So this palette has very interesting shape to it. It is pretty much like kind of a triangle, but a little bit cut off at the top. This has 18 eyeshadows in it, by the way, guys. This says on the back, Sasha, the girls with a passion for fashion. So you do get this awkward shape of mirror, because the palette is an awkward shape as well, but you do get a mirror to give you a full mirror. And then of course you get all of the 18 shades. I love it. They do have an interesting oval shape at the bottom of the colors, and I'm just very interested why they decided to shape it like that. So this whole palette shape is very odd and unique. So we do have a lip care duo set. They give you a lip scrub and a lip mask. These are awesome. Again, they have that hollow reflective with the big old B for BRATZ at the top of the purple topper. This is a very nice, thick glass jar, and these are a little bigger than I thought they would be. I do have the lip scrub and lip mask from ColourPop. Those are a little bit smaller and not as heavy as this real glass, and these are a lot more. I still am surprised. I was like, I thought it was the same shape or maybe even smaller, but no, you get a lot of lip care. These are bigger than you think they are. As you know, a little bit goes a long way on our lips, so they give you this bigger of a size. It's gonna be a lot. These are a very, very pretty glass of containers. I was like, oh, it's prettier than I thought. So the packaging on these are very, very pretty. You will get fingerprints all over the top of the lid, but it's okay. We can wipe it clean. It'll be shiny and pretty. So we do have a lip pencil. Of course, this is the one Sasha that I got. And then we do have a mega lip gloss. They have that cute little topper right there, the little rabbit. They do have the BRATZ, and I think again, all of this is hollow. I think it's a hollow reflect. And this is a thicker lip pencil. You can see at the top, it's like that thicker, rounder, chunkiness kind of a lip pencil. It's a medium chunkiness to a lip pencil. I like it. And then this mega lip gloss, y'all. This lip gloss, again, like the Lip Duo Care, this thing is mega. It's bigger than what you think. I thought it was traditional lip gloss. Like, okay, that's a Maxi Plus gloss. They got that right. This thing is huge. This is a lot bigger than you think. I love it. It has the little cute rabbits on there on that metallic purple lid, and again the holographic BRATZ on there, and Sasha on the back. This is a very, very pretty but mega plumping lip gloss. I like it. I feel like everything in this collection is like odd shaped and big. I like it. If you want to get this Sasha inspired BRATZ look, stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and all the try-ons, because I sure did. I loved it all. It was so much fun. So with the Sasha BRATZ palette, like I said before, it does give you 18 shades. So 3 shimmers and 3 mattes. I did use an even share of each finish because they do have shimmers and they have mattes. And this bottom row, I thought this were highlighters. I still want to use them as a highlighter though. Still want to try it. But the bottom row here, they're just an awkward shape, but these are supposed to be all shadows. I don't see anything of saying in a highlight, so I just assume these are all shadows, but I'm gonna make them into highlighters because these just look awkward. Like everything's oval, big, and this whole packaging is just so still weird to me. And I'm like, they gotta be highlighters, gotta be. Just look at them, they're all shimmer. They all look like they would go with different skin tones of highlight. It's gotta be highlighter, they gotta be. So I did use the Centra Stage and the In Charge for the inner part of my eyes. The next row, I did use the latest hits. This one right here, beautiful red. This palette is very, very pigmented. I'm just gonna stop before I keep going on. This palette is very, very much more pigmented than you think, because I was shocked and shook it. Because sometimes Makeup Revolution is a hit miss, but this one was a hit, baby. This thing was a hit. I did use Vibe Check. I did use that one in the beginning of my eyes. I think that's a very pretty matte. It's a very good background color to pull in all the rest of these colors that pop. I did use Smoothie Bar in the bottom tear duct of my eye, and I love it. It's very close to my undertone of my skin, that more golden yellowish undertone. It's like a washed out kind of yellow. So that was nice. I like that one a lot. That color, I think it'll sneak up on a lot of people. It's a very, very odd shade. But again, I'm realizing with this whole vibe of this palette is it's oddly shaped, it's awkward, it's odd, it's all that. But it's pigmented as hell. It's good. It's really, really good. I did use Bunny Boo. That is all over my lid. She's very, very cute. I did not get to use this deeper matte, but I will in the future because I already seen the deeper mattes are popping. And then I did use Hip to It and Beanie. These two are gorgeous. I put that on my waterline. Love that. Didn't know. I thought, oh, they're just darker blues. This one's kind of like a deep indigo, like a very vibrant, rich indigo. And this one is a straight up deeper navy blue. But either way, them together was very, very pretty. Strike a Pose and VIP, I really did not use too much. Scorching, I didn't use. Got Your Back, I didn't use too much. But Mixtape, I did. That orange is popping. That's a really, really pretty orange. So overall, in my opinion, this palette, I think the mattes performed the best out of all of them, even though they're all were good, but the mattes performed the best. But the only 2 shimmers that really pop for me, in my opinion, is the blue and the indigo. Especially Beanie, that one was gorgeous. This palette is very, very good, y'all. It's gonna sneak up on you. I was like, I don't know, because again, like I said, Makeup Revolution, she has hit and misses. Because Makeup Revolution, their formula is sometimes it can be like, oh, this is cute. And other times it's like, oh, girl, no. Because I was thinking, I don't know if I'm gonna like this. But once I just started putting on a look, I said, oh, she's cute. They did very well with this palette. I don't know if they changed the formula or something, but even that light washed out yellow, it was hitting. I was like, okay, y'all. So Makeup Revolution did that. Y'all, I'm gonna tell you right now, buy them. Y'all, I'm telling you, these, the packaging, the lip scrub, this is considered online, it said is a minty vanilla. They ain't lying, it smells just like it. Oh, it's so good. I ain't gonna lie, I wish I had an air freshener that smelled like this. I would put it all up in my room, in my car. It smells so yummy. It's fresh minty, but then that dash of vanilla. This is more of a drier lip scrub in my opinion. I think like the other ColourPop ones I have, they have a little more oil to a little more slip with a little bit of sugar, a little grit to it. This one's more grit. So if you do have more chapped lips, and you're like, I like it to scrub, I want to see dead skin off, this one's gonna take it out. This one is gonna moisturize too, because the oil comes in after. You guys see when I did the trying on, it was a lot of just sugar, 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 all right there. And then when you finally melt it down, the oils start coming out right at the end. And I was like, okay. I don't know if you can eat this. Sometimes I eat it, I'm sorry. Sometimes I eat the lip scrubs, but I don't think you're supposed to eat these. But either way, it smells so edible and yummy. But if you want to get off that dead skin on those lips, this will grab it right on up. It would no problem at all. I love this. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. let me tell y'all something real quick. This lip mask. This is the best lip mask I've ever had in my life. I was like, what in the hell did they put in this thing? It is literally, you know, guys, like the cake icing when it's freshly whipped in a container and you put it right on the cake. Y'all, this looks like it. It feels like it. It smells like it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it because I don't think you can eat this stuff. But y'all, you supposed to put this on morning or nighttime. I'm telling you, tonight I'm be sleeping like a baby, smelling my lips at night. Like I swear, It literally, it smells so good. If they came out with gloss smooth or juicy like this, y'all, I would buy every single shade. This formula is amazing. I've never had a lip mask this good in my life. Y'all, I'm still tripping. I was like, this is real. I was like, oh, this is, If they keep making lip masks, please do it in this formula. This is an amazing formula. Love it. I'm gonna buy another one. This thing is so amazing. Like cake icing. This thing is beautiful. Yeah, they just say it's just a lip mask. It's an amazing lip mask. This thing is a fantastic. But just a little bit goes a long way. I swear this thing is like pudding jelly. Like it's so good. But it's like smooth icing. It's so good. This is a magic lip mask in a cute little container. Lip pencil. This is a good matte lip pencil. I think the shade is a little more ready and warm than I thought it would be, but this lip pencil is very nice. I don't care too much for lip crayons, y'all. I'm kind of like, just give me a lip liner. I don't need a thick, chunky one, but this one is a very nice one. I don't think it has any scent to it. Yeah, this doesn't have any scent to it, but I'm gonna see how much do you get in here. We're going. Oh, you get a lot in here. Look at that. Ooh. This does feel very good. I filled it in all of my lips because at first I was like, I'm just gonna line with NC. Now that I filled all the way in with my lips, I was like, oh, you can wear this by itself. It feels like it would stay put. Like it's not too matte and it's drying. It's like a creamier matte, but it feels like it's not gonna leave stuff all over your cup and stuff like that. You know, it's not, you know, creamy, but it's not matte either. And so if you like lip pencils that do stay put or not too matte, not too creamy, I think you'll like this. Last but not least is this big old Maxi Plump gloss, y'all. I love this gloss. It is minty plumping. When I'm talking right now, it just smells mint and I can smell it in my breath. It smells so minty. This big applicator, this thing all big and chunky. Everything is chunky. Everything's chunky. No, think about it. Everything's big and chunky in this collection. Nice, minty, very traditional. Plump is gonna probably have some kind of minty scent. This is a very pretty shade. I do like it, and I like this color. This lip was very nice. I did see the other shades and I was trying to figure out, oh no, but I said, you know what? Just get everything, Sasha. This was very pretty, and I feel like this finished out this look beautifully. So Makeup Revolution, this formula with the BRATZ is really good in all of this stuff, but this one's a very nice one. So this is more of a full coverage plumping gloss, and it's minty and it smells good. Pigmentation, I love it. I said, oh, you are going part of my collection. Again, I don't like plumping glosses, y'all, but sometimes they hit really nice, and I'm like, this is one of them. So y'all, overall, this collection was beautiful. I said Makeup Revolution, y'all did that, because when I see it online at first I was like, let's see, bring back my nostalgia, let's see what's up. They did it. They said, girl, here you go. You want it? We did that. They got the assignment right this time. They got it right. I'm telling you, Makeup Revolution said, look, we're gonna get you together now, because this collection was nice, y'all. I was like, oh, this one I said, oh, this is my childhood, y'all. Don't play with me. This one, guys, this collection is gonna sneak up on you. You're gonna think it's nothing, or I don't know. This one's gonna get you good. It's really amazing collection. I was like, I want them to do another version of the BRATZ and bring more, or keep doing those lip masks in that formula. The different flavors. Oh, at least get the lip duo care, guys. I'm telling you, that lip mask will change your life. And get the plumping lip gloss. I would really recommend at least those two sets, or at least, you know, lippy and a lip care. The newest collab with different brands and whatnot. So far, I think Makeup Revolution, they did it with BRATZ. This is a really good one. I feel like this collection was done very well. So guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And guys, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know below, guys, which one is your favorite BRATZ? And did you own a BRATZ doll? Let me know in the comments below. And as well, don't forget to hit that notification button before you go. You guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.